share with you some practical ways that you can enjoy spring and summer with your friends, your family, but also ways that you can enjoy rest outdoors and at home. So today I'm actually in the beautiful area of Cascade Locks right at the border of Oregon and Washington with friends and family. Here in Oregon, it is beautiful. Today I'm spending time with my family and just unplugging and resting besides filming this video. But you guys, that is one way that we can take time to unplug from the media, the TV, the gaming, and all of that stuff, and enjoying God's creation. Enjoying nature, the rivers, if it's the beach, if it's traveling. Write down a list, you guys. I encourage you, write down a list this week of the 5 places that you want to go for the spring and summer. Maybe it's the mountains, it's the beaches, it's maybe a hike that you want to go on, or maybe it's an activity at home or gardening or something like that, you guys. So let's dive into this video. I'm going to be sharing lots of tips on how you can enjoy the spring and summer.
Okay, so one of the best tips that I do have for you for spring and summer is to make sure to set aside in your budget for fun. If it's for the weekend, if it's for a vacation, whatever it is. So where do you want to go short term, but also maybe a longer trip of a week? What is an adventure of choice that you have? So write that down right now, figure out with your friends, your family, whatever it is, and set aside some money. Be sure to also make sure to have a little extra for that gas prices. Gas prices have gone up, but don't let that stop you guys. Fun is so important. Rest is so important. As we are going through the Bible, and I'm going to be doing words of encouragement in regards to Genesis through the end, through Revelations. In the first book of Genesis, on day 7, after God created the heavens and the earth and the animals and all the things, and he saw that it was good, he rested. On the 7th day, he rested. And that's what I encourage you guys to do also. Okay, so it's super fun and easy, inexpensive hobby is creating a garden. It's so relaxing, it's fun, it's so enjoyable, especially this time of year as we are going into spring and summer to watch things grow. So I created a little bit of a mini herb garden on my patio. So I will share in this a little bit of what I have. So I have French lavender, I have some thyme, and then in this one I've got some chamomile. That one's going to be great to put into teas. And then this one, let's see, what's this one? This one is rosemary, so I'll be able to do a lot of cooking with that one. I've got some oregano. I can make some yummy Italian dishes. I've got some mint, which that is so lovely in like some mint water, or you can put it in teas. That's so good on your stomach also. And then I've got cilantro. Oh, I love cilantro for like taco meals, put it on salads, all of that. And then this is a cute little fairy garden my aunt actually made for me, so I thought that was really cute. So this is a fun and easy, inexpensive way to, do a hobby. I actually got this little herb planter at Goodwill, so that's super fun. These little baskets and items, I think I just picked them up randomly at like Goodwill, different. One of the most amazing aspects of self-care is just getting outdoors, getting fresh air, getting movement, breathing in fresh air, seeing the beautiful trees, especially now that spring is upon us, guys. I encourage you this next week, incorporate into your self-care practice getting outdoors. I know a lot of us have been cooped up this winter, but how can you practice just slowing down, resting, enjoying the fresh air and nature time? Today I'm just in awe of the beauty as the sun begins to come out, just reflecting on just the stillness, the smells, the sounds, and the beauty of what nature brings to us. It's just such a calming, peaceful, and relaxing opportunity just to be present in nature. Enjoy, guys. Make it a great day and a great week ahead.